How to check password on Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get to the video. So due to security restrictions, Roblox will not let you have your password. So what we can do is head over to settings and go to Google services. Now here you'll find several options. You just need to click on password manager. After that, you will be taken to this particular page. Now you need to find Roblox, roblox.com, whatever it is, in your password manager. Go to Roblox. It will ask you for your PIN or your biometrics. Go there and you will find your Roblox account and its password. So if it's not here, then you probably have not saved your account and your Roblox password. So if it's not there, you can always go to Roblox and change your password. To do that, go to settings, account info, and scroll down and go to password. Here you'll find this a box with a little pen here. Click on that. You can just click on it. You can just log out of your account, and when you log back in, you can just click on forgot password and follow all the on-screen instructions then. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.